What's going on? What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Dwes and Works at it. As you can see, and by the look of things, I have gotten into a little bit of work, but I didn't show the beginning part of me taking my 2024 Road Glide, taking the front or the front outer fairing off, because there's a million videos on doing that, and it's super simple. It's easy. But I took it apart today to do something very special, which is install my new light, my new Goat E for Road Glide gloss black Ciro light. I think I'm pronouncing that right, Ciro. Well, anyway, you see how the light looks on that box right there? It's another light to go in the front end to help light that front end up, which I'm all about. So I'm in the lab working on that. Got a lot of stuff going on, because even I'm giving you a little sneak peek of the Riker. The Riker is not done yet, but you can see what I got going on with that. I'm waiting on a new front part to come in that's carbon fiber. That'll be here tomorrow. I got my windshield on that, but I'll give you a full video on everything that I've done on the Can-Am Riker. And of course the Spider sitting back there. But anyway, back to this. This light is gonna be real slick, really nice. So the light actually on my junkie table here looks like that. So it will actually sit up under the lights, the front fairing, and kind of sit up under it. So you'll see the final product. It has actually turn signals integrated into this light as well. So I'm looking forward to it, man. This is a good find here. When I saw this, it was automatic. There was no thoughts behind it. I was getting it. So let me keep working and I'll come back to you. This part right here, once you remove the front headlight, it just kind of bolts on like that. It bolts on the front end, and then you run the wire behind it, hook the headlamp back up, all that good stuff. Nothing difficult at all. Nothing difficult at all. But one thing though, let me show you this. If you have a 2024, 25, 26 Road Glide, you have a front, that black plate right there is automatically attached to your fairing, and it's held on by a T10, by two T10 screws. Once you unscrew those two, it simply just comes off, but that would need to be removed so that you can put the light. The light actually sits up under that piece. So you'll see when I'm done. Be back at you. All right, look what we're working with. So I got the headlamp back in. I just need to secure it fully. I got that front light in, so you can see what's going on here. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and make sure it's all tight and secure, all tight and secure. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the front fairing back on this bad boy and wrap it up. Be back at you. All right, I now have the headlight fully secured in place, along with my new Goat E light right here from Ciro. So I'm getting ready to put the front fairing back on. So far, doing this light right here on a scale of 1 to 10, difficult level. You know I like to share that information with you. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this right here a 6. A 6. It wasn't bad at all. I think sometimes just trying to realign this headlight to go back in could be a little tricky, but it just took some good old fashioned English, and I got it in there. So let's get it done. Let's go and get that fairing back on the front. Front fairing is back on and looking good. So I'm like, once I get it all put back together, I'm going to turn the lights on so you can see all of the full functionality of this Goat E light by Ciro. Again, that's it right there. It was right on time for me because I was looking for more light to go in the front anyway. I was looking for ways to light that front end up. So this was just perfect when I saw this come out right here. And I think it really does add and accentuate things. So I think you would not be disappointed from this purchase. I know I'm not. I know I'm not. I've had it for maybe a month now, but didn't feel like going through all of the hassle trying to take the front end off and put it on and all that good stuff. But hey, I got nothing but time today. The weather did not permit riding and all that kind of good stuff. So I decided no time is better than the current time and get it done. So that's what I'm doing. So let me go ahead and put the top pieces back on. And there you have it. The installation of the Ciro Goat E Light. Loving it, loving it, loving it. It looks absolutely fabulous. So tomorrow, hopefully I can get it outside and get some pictures and some photos, all that good stuff outside, so you can get a full view of what it looks like. But let's go ahead and cut it on so I can show you what it looks like on. Tremendous work right there. That looks really, really, really good. Oh, man. Let's see, kind of step. I'm in tight quarters here. Oh, yeah. Goatee. Look like a little beard there. I like that. It looks really nice. So let me show you the turn signals that's in there. So that's real nice. And then, of course, the other side, let's turn that on so you can see that. See that everything is working properly. And I do know a little something. That's the other side. See what the hazard lights look like. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. Comment, like, subscribe below. I appreciate the support. As always, it's your boy Dwism Works, and I'm out. Boy, that looks lovely. That looks so good. Peace.